Embedding video from MyVRSpot in It's Learning. First thing that we're going to do to embed video from MyVRSpot is we're going to open up. It can be found under Teacher Tools, and then I'll see MyVRSpot. It's going to ask me to log in. The easiest way to log in for right now is we're going to sign in with Google, and here we are signed in. Now you can see I've already got a couple of folders, which brings me to our next thing. If I have a file that I want to share with people in It's Learning, what I will do is I will go down here to where it says embed, and I can click that. I can get the embed code, and I'm going to do the share outside my VR spot. By doing share outside my VR spot, I'm able to take it and embed it into It's Learning. So I'm going to take this code, I'm going to click embed, and then I'm going to go back into class link. I'm going to click on It's Learning. Okay, I'm going to go into resources, add. I'm going to do it as a note because I'm putting embed code in, and this is morning news. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on where it says embed. I'm going to click that, and then I am going to paste my embed code there and insert. And it's going to look like this. And now when I say save, there it is. The next thing that I can do with my VR spot is I can upload video to my VR spot. The benefit of this is going to strip away any of the ads that would be on a YouTube or a Vimeo. This is going to, you can specify a time of how long or short you want the video to be. Okay, so I will go down to my YouTube channel. I can click on any video that I want. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to search for Bill Nye the Science Guy. There's the episode. I can click on that and I'm going to go down to share. I can get the embed code or I can just copy, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go into my VR spot. I'm going to say upload and upload a YouTube or Vimeo link. I'm going to hit Control V and it's going to upload that. So once I've got it in here, it's going to ask me for a description. I can write my description of it. There's the file. I can set the playhead if I want it to start at a different time or where I want it to end. I can set both of those things. I can turn on or off closed captioning. This one is not a VR or 360 video. I can do a QR code or not do a QR code. I can add my standards, etc. Once I've got it in here, I'm going to say view media item, and there it is. Now, if I want to take that video and embed it into It's Learning, again, I'm going to click on share. Share outside my VR spot. I'm going to go down to embed code. I'm going to copy that, Control C. I'm going to go back into It's Learning. I can click on either source or embed. I'm going to do source this time. And I'm going to hit Control V. It's going to put the source code in. When I click source, it'll show me there's the video. I can add my standards or whatever. I'm going to click save. When I say OK, I'll see there's my video. There's two different ways that we can embed, and we have now done them. They are source and embed. If you want to upload a video that you've created on your own, what you'll do is in my VR spot, you'll click on this button that says upload, and it's going to ask me to find a video. We already went over how to do a YouTube. I've got one on my hard drive I'm going to pull out. I can find this video that I have on my hard drive. I can click open. It's going to upload that video. Once the video is uploaded, I'll do the same steps in sharing the link that I did with a YouTube video. If I would like to upload a video from my Google Drive, I click on Upload again and Upload from Google Drive. It'll ask me to sign in. I'll sign in with my Google account and then I'll say Allow. It'll show me the different video files that I have in there. I'm going to go ahead and pick one and I'm going to say Select. And just like with the other two options, once the video is uploaded, I can then go and I can embed the video by getting the embed code and going into It's Learning and making a note and pasting the embed code in there. So that's how we can take something from MyVRSpot and put it in to It's Learning.